We're here on the campus of Bowdoin College, where the Upward Bound program helps high school students from Central and Down East Maine prepare for college. One of the workshops available to students this summer is called Gizmo Garden.
Great. Cool. Very nice.
And I didn't have any prior robotics experience, so when I first joined, I'm like, okay, all these people know all these things, and I don't. But, I mean, they came in with the robots, and I thought, man, that's really cool. I want to learn how to do that. So I took a risk.
At Gizmo Garden, we let students explore engineering through projects that are creative, cooperative, and fun.
Meeting once a week, we programmed Gizmos to sing.
We found out how to do that somehow. Certain numbers made at higher pitched or lower pitched. And
You take that C and multiply it by 2, you get that C. If you take that D and multiply it by 2, you get the D up there.
all right.
And we programmed them to dance.
I did it.
Well, if both of these negative makes it go backwards, what happens when one is positive and one is negative? What happens?
I'll probably turn.
Try it out. See what happens. And what does it do? Great.
I did it.
I've never done coding or anything like that before, but it was really easy to learn, and once I did it, it was really fun. I loved it. It's simpler and harder than I thought it would be at the same time. There's like a lot more, like if you forget one tiny thing, it will mess up the entire code. But I just had fun.
No, they're rambunctious and wild. Come on, stack it. Yes. I'm going for it. Come to me, Gizmo.
I'm saying go. Do it. Do it.
Right.
You got
Oh, another challenge. Yes. No. Victim. Second victim. Get on. Yes. Whoa. My robot is stuck. Oh my God. Wait.
This is third world driving with no stoplights and no designated roads.
Everything that here was different than the Lego robotics that I am used to. And Arduino is a completely new C++ coding thing to me, so that was cool to learn about.
It was like pretty amazing. I like learning about coding and stuff.
Have you ever done any of that kind of thing before?
No, but I'm interested now.
Next, we assembled sensors to enable our gizmos to see and follow a road.
You may find the needle nose pliers is helpful for inserting the wires. They can be a bit difficult to push in.
We put stuff on the breadboard with like resistors, so like the thing wouldn't overheat and
Straighten them out.
Yeah, just try and like push them so that it's just like flat across and then like the right angle going in.
Okay, yeah.
If it's not flush, then just clip a little more off.
Assembling the robot was pretty fun. I liked the bread boxing. When the wires wouldn't stick in the right place, got a little agitating. It's like, it won't stick. But bread boxing was fun, because I really enjoy hands-on work as well. It's easier for me to learn that way, I believe.
Okay, that looks good. So go ahead and turn that on.
Turn it to number 1 so it happens. There you go. Brilliant.
So these are our eyes, okay? And we have stereoscopic vision. We have 2 eyes for our robot.
Then we added sensors to avoid collisions.
Great, so you got that one hooked up, good. Okay, and you saw some data from your proximity sensor, so we verified that your proximity sensor is working. And good, so let's power on. Okay.
uploading.
Sounds like a video game here.
Welcome to Mario.
Alright, let's try it again.
Wow, scary in here. It sounds like a ghost movie.
It has like a sensor in it too, so if you put your hand in front of it, it will stop.
Okay, how's it going over here?
I can feel the force.
Keep having you need a upper screen.
It's really hesitant.
Scott got
Yeah.
The range of the proximity sensor is about 10 to 80 centimeters. That's about as far as you can see. So if you've got something 0.8 of a meter away, it'll see it and start to slow down.
There we go.
With the sound.
How do you adjust it?
Adjust it? Oh, it's just I remember being able to actually like, build a robot. You did everything like breadboarding and actual programming. The Lego robot, you have a pack that's all you need to slap it on some Lego. With this, you actually have to do wiring. It's great.
Yeah, same.
With sensor feedback and software control loops, our gizmos became self-driving. We put them on the road and aimed the green LEDs so that they reflected off of the left and right sides of the green road and into the robot eyes.
And is what's going on is these LEDs are directing the light that way, and right there is your sensor. So we need to just put those up at about a 45-degree angle or so.
Canada's is far behind. Wait. Everybody in place.
Yeah, that one's mine.
Wait, is this for anything that's green?
Only this color tape, I think. Oh, wait.
Well, this color green reflects the green LED light really, really well.
So I need one. How does it steer?
If you watch it around the corners, you can see that one wheel slows down while the other one keeps going fast. That's how it steers. So watch around the corner. You'll see the inside wheel slows down. The outside wheel keeps going. That's how the steering works. Take a quick look here. I like it.
Look at that smooth turning that it does.
Mine is going, buddy.
Okay, so how high, Canninger, how high did you go on your drive stiffness? 5. 5? All right, let's go.
Oh my.
The drive stiffness setting controls how the gizmo's steering responds to the road sensors. A high value makes the steering very jerky. Oh, has that one got a high drive stiffness?
5, yeah.
Yeah. So you can see what happened. You're going to be pulled over by the cops with that kind of driving.
Yeah, right. Erratic.
Finally, we custom designed animated light shows to ride on top of our gizmos as they beeped out their songs.
Should I have it on, like, power
Oh, there it is.
No, power 1.
There it is. Okay. Oh, it's a whale.
I love that. I love how you made it spout.
And just stop. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I like the fire.
Wait, Canada.
We do a minus I instead of a plus I. Greater than.
Yeah.
Kind of like. Yeah, try that.
And then light show, open parentheses, Triforce 2, colon, and then just copy the same exact thing.
Use the colors.
I have the Triforce and the colors.
Yeah, you could add additional sensors to your robots after this class, you know, and make it do additional stuff.
Those three arguments there, okay, that's the rotation, that's the horizontal position, and that's the vertical position. Give it a try, see if you like it.
That's gonna be.
Oh, that was.
So go to
What?
party.
It didn't work because
Oh,
it was not
you need,
dark.
like,
It was
real
like a snowman. It was like a snowman. Going for the annoying dog. It wasn't dark enough in these spots, so I added blue, and now it looks like a snowman. It kind of does, yeah. Yeah, I'll fix it.
Oh, so it's gonna like come down.
It's gonna go boop, 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 boop.
Okay.
Perfect. So there's a good starting spot. Great. Gotcha.
I want it to do that, but I want it to start up here.
Start up much higher. Okay, so boom. Show me the code. Different.
Why is it like? Well, like I said, this is
Because it's supposed to be
actual
water,
return.
you know, kind of like the
Oh,
reflection.
I see. Okay.
It has stuff like into speaker pan.
Why is there
And then it's gonna straighten out again.
I'm able to type without looking, but this
Okay, great, I understand. So, this is a matter of trial and error. You fool around with it, you make changes, you fool around with it. It does.
Wow, it's a flying seagull.
That's awesome.
Like that.
Okay, and here's the thing about software.
Both of ours have to do with water.
Don't change it.
There's a snake in that book.
Yeah, I'm gonna have this kind of like design where this pops up, like
Oh, cool.
It's gonna switch between each beat that it makes.
About so what if we just
Ignore the rules. Let's break
the heart monitor
Translate.
and then
I enjoyed the creative aspect of it. I just liked everything that we could do with it. There wasn't really a limit to what we could or could not do with our sound, with our light shows, with the way our robot moves. We have creative freedom to do whatever we want with it.
Do you think you'll play with it after you get home?
At the end of 6 workshop sessions, we combined all of the self-driving vehicles to form a Gizmo parade.
I made you.